Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Let's look at Dogecoin. The entire market right now is going to the downside. Also, I want to let you guys know I will be live in an hour and a half at 11 a.m. Central Time on YouTube and on TikTok. If you guys want to join my trading group, link to join is in the description below. It's $30 a month. I know you guys can be profitable if you just follow my signals. Now, I don't want you guys just to, it's not a signals group, but I give you setups, then you take the trade. I want you to learn how to trade though in my group. Anyways, I digress. Let's look at Dogecoin right now in the weekly time frame. I had a measure move up to 25.7. But overall, it's making a lower high in the weekly. Now what you want, that's okay. But now what you need to see is a higher low be made when you get oversold in the weekly. Now, also in the weekly, that can stay overbought for a long time in a bull run. I've seen it happen a lot of times in the last bull run on crypto, on Bitcoin, and on altcoins. So that's okay. I'm not that worried about the weekly on such a massive time horizon in a bull run. But overall, the 3-day time frame, I do care about that. That will get oversold in a bull run, and we do need to look at that. 3-day time frame is bearish right now. That's coming to the downside. Stock RSI looks bad. Red dot on the money flow, and money flow is extended at 100, and money flow needs to come down. If we jump down to the daily is trying to make a higher low. That's a very good sign. That tells you the 3 days likely to make a higher low as well. But money flow on the daily as well is bad. So I would still expect more downside for at least till another week on Dogecoin minimum. 12-hour time frame oversold, trying to make a higher low, but like I just said, the daily 3 days still need to come down, so the 12-hour could get pinned, and you can continue to fall to the downside. The hope for Dogecoin short term is that you can get a bounce at support at 14.5, but overall, Dogecoin short term needs to come to the downside. It's really not fine. So if you want to open up shorts on the smaller time frames, that's fine, but on the larger time frames, daily, 8-hour, 4-hour, I would not financial advice. I would not be doing it. Unless you want to hold the trades for over a week, I guess, then you do you, right? But I wouldn't. So the 4-hour time frame right now, money flow is in the red. Money flow is actually really, on the 4-hour time frame, is ready to bounce, but it's not going to happen until probably Bitcoin stabilizes. So again, if you do get the move to the upside, short term, I don't think that's likely, but the resistance is 17.1. If I jump down to the 1-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame is definitely ready for a bounce, trying to make a double bottom. See, this is a bullish sign here. 1 hour could kind of break out here, and you are in this channel. I wouldn't even call it a falling wedge. It's just a channel to the downside. So right now, Dogecoin, if you can break, I will say this, right now the downsloping resistance is at 16.1. If you can break 16.1, then you can easily, in my opinion, have a break to 17 cents. That's just how I see the markets, at least the Dogecoin market right now. The half-hour time frame on Dogecoin right now, oversold, getting some kind of bounce. Now, if you don't at least make it back to 16.4, we'll call it, for a higher high, that's a bearish sign. So 16.4 must break on this bounce, otherwise it's bad. Again, if you break 16.1, then you could be having a possible breakout, especially if you break 16.4. And 17 cents would be your next resistance. If you break 17 cents, then you could probably go up to that 23-cent resistance above us. But overall, that's what I'm seeing. The 15-minute making a lower high, and actually even the 15-minute trying to make some kind of bear flag. So overall, I don't love what I'm seeing. Like it is kind of mixed signals, but overall, this isn't looking good for Dogecoin. So I would just be very cautious on what Dogecoin wants to do right now, because I don't think it's looking very good right now. So most measure move to the downside is 15 cents. I would be cautious. Now, if you break 16.1, like I said, then I think this bear flag is negated, and I think you could have a move to 17 cents. To break 17 cents, I see a move to 23 cents. That's pretty much what it's like. I'll see you guys in an hour for my live stream on YouTube and on TikTok. If you guys want to join the socials, check the link down below. And appreciate if you hit the like, because it does help support the channel, and it's the least you guys can do. And until then, until my live stream,